know what it is, motherfucking HVAC, motherfucking tutorials. We changing out a compressor right now. We with your boy, Rod on a Sunday morning, putting in motherfucking work, man. Sunday morning, putting in motherfucking work, man. Getting a little learning in, a little application with the real thing. Taking it from the classroom straight to the field. You know, we in the field right now, you know what I mean? So, you know, it's just Jelly out here learning, man. Little tutorial, I might bring it back to the class, let y'all check it out. Boom, this how I do, man. I'm serious about this shit, coffee. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, he didn't already change the line. Change the old compressor out. Vacuuming. So what you doing right now, though?
Vacuuming, getting all the proper terminology is getting all the non-condensables out of the line. That's the.
Oh yeah, young, this is my right there.
This here?
Yeah.
It's a micron gauge.
Oh, alright.
So,
that's the vacuum. That's what I was thinking. Yeah. Always purge your shit once you got it connected, right?
That when you first do it, when you about to charge it.
Right.
Yeah, non-condensables out the line, meaning trash, dirt.
Yeah, right. Any debris.
Yeah.
That's the worst. Basically, any dirt. That's the worst enemy.
So on this one right here, this is a R22 system.
Okay.
But if you like buy a new compressor for the 22 system, it already come with the PO oil in it.
Oh, okay. So it's like that's what determines the compressor, which Freon you gonna use. Because I thought it was the unit that told you.
Nah. You got.
You can't just put anything.
You got different types of compressors.
All right.
You got semi-hermetic, hermetics.
So that means it could take more than one.
Scrolls. Yeah, but different ones are for different applications.
I got
like
you.
most of the new units with the 410A, they going with scroll compressors. Boom. Got hit me twice. Like that's what my brothers do. Man, I'm gonna call you when I get out this hole, man. Oh, yeah. Right here, I'm switching it out. I already switched out this compressor. So what I had to do is, since I'm replacing the refrigerant as well, I had to replace the filter dryer down here too.
Oh, that thing right there?
Yeah, it's a catch-all. It catches all the bullshit that's in the line set. Little small particles, you know.
But that don't always have to go on there? That's some optional shit?
It's recommended.
Okay, because I ain't never seen it.
If I see a system that doesn't have it, I put it on. If I put my hands on it, I put it on.
I never seen that jump, but I ain't never. I'm going to just start paying attention to them jumps.
Yeah, that's a filter dryer. You're going to see it on the commercial side.
Same. So they want that PM shit perfect.
Yeah.
Preventative maintenance.
See how that jump change noise?
Yeah.
Yeah, see how it change noise? I'm opening it up to the system. Right there. Yeah, that thing's sucking down now. My gauges got back micron gauges on it as well. But I'm using this one down here because I think I need to calibrate my gauges.
And so you say you just making sure that everything in the line and the compressor clean, right?
Yeah, so you're getting all the non-condensables out the line.
All right, cool. How long you gonna be doing this for? About 40?
I'm about done. Once I suck all this down, no homo, all I got to do is charge it up and I'm out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm out of here.
So when you first came, you just did you had to clean the line, take everything out first?
So when I first came, I waited for you for a minute.
Okay.
So what I did was when I first came, I hit my torch and I took this line off right here. I unbrazed it right here. I unbrazed it and then I heated it up. You see how that shit coming out of here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Watch your shoes.
That's that shit. Yeah. So you unbraze this shit right here.
Unbraze that line, you know what I'm saying? Got all that bullshit out of there. unbraze that line so I can reuse it instead of cutting it out with a copper cutter or tubing cutters, y'all seen things.
Yeah.
I unbrazed it, and I unbrazed it from this end too, but I ended up cutting it because this is a different compressor. It's the same type of compressor, but they made it different. The line set was over here. The liquid line was all the way over here, so I had to cut it back and make my own line, put it right there. On the old one, the pecker head that blew off, this right here, it's called the pecker head. That's where your run start common terminal is. That joint that blew off. It's caused a leak.
Wow.
So I had to replace that bad boy. And in turn, like I said, I replaced that filter drive right there. You want to always replace that filter drive, especially with the 410A. You always want to replace the filter drive.
Yeah.
Whenever you open up the system, because it's a blend. It's a refrigerant blend. So a lot of times, that's what they recommend. That you, anytime you open up the system, replace that filter drive. I've been in situations where I didn't replace that filter drive, and I had to come back 32 times.
Dang.
Because I'm trying to find out what's wrong the whole time. You know what I'm saying? There's impurities in that filter drive.
You're right.
They go to old compressor right here. Old one right here. You see, they go to blue. You see the blue? That's the old filter drive right there. You know what I'm saying? So,
And with the back head joint that popped off.
right here. I'll show it to you. Pack ahead. See it?
So that's the pecker head?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See how it blew off?
Yeah. So on the other one, it was looking like it was up top. Or nah?
Yeah. So, like I told you, it's a totally different compressor.
All right.
So I mean, it's the same style, but it's a, amperage and voltage wise, but it's a.
I got you. But just the makeup
Yeah,
of it.
they put the sets different places. So right here, I want to get down to 450. Right here, look on here. You see it? You know. I want to get down to 450. I'm at 540 right now. I want to get down to 450. A lot of people like to get down to 600. I like to get down to 450. 600 is the rule of thumb. You know what I'm saying? But I like to get down to 450. That's my thing.
And this pressure or?
Nah, that's the microns. Microns are non-condensables in the system.
Oh, so it's letting you know what's in the system right now.
Yeah,
That's how. Oh,
I
shit.
got all the bullshit.
That's almost like parts per million shit.
Yeah, basically.
All right.
They teach y'all a different way in class because that's the old school way. Before they had all this technology. I like to close everything up before I shut it down. Okay, what's the purpose of refrigeration? So in class, the definition of refrigeration is to
Remove the heat.
heat to where it's unwanted.
Right.
Where it doesn't matter at. So this is what this is for. That's what that condenser is.
Oh.
In the commercial applications, they use cooling towers. They use dry coolers. They use a bunch of different type of applications. But on residential, you got this.
Okay.
They use water. They use air. And commercial, this is your bad boy right here. So what happens is that's why you need that fan right here on top. So what happens is when you go in, when that Freon goes in, it picks up heat. It picks up the heat and comes out here and brings it out here, and that's what that fan is for. It's just like your car.
Right.
Yeah, it removes that heat, so it's got to keep these coils cool, so it's removing that heat. That's why the fans got to come this way instead of that way. The air's got to come out. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause it's got to remove that heat. Remove that heat. Keep it cool. Keep it cool. Keep it cool. Keep it cool. So I'm about to wire this bad boy up.
Okay.
Fire up. Charge her up and fire up. And get up out of here.
Sweet.
Get up out of here.
I go to Africa to give my people air. It's the way. She only like 33 probably. She like Chantel age. Shit. But yeah, oh yeah, that nigga. You see this big bag of bag. You wonder how he did it. Yeah, man, I'm a mogul. I did. In my brain, yeah, okay. Oh shit, that was a lot. LIT. AC blowing cold, baby.
This is your evaporator coil temperature. I mean, if I was doing super heat and cell cooling right now, this is what I'm going off right now. So I still got to charge it up. So right now it's like 18 degrees. You don't want to leave. Huh? Always supposed to be hot, sometimes cold. It's a heat pump.
Yeah, this is the Jellie visit for you.